This video will show you how to call a virtual meeting room from outside the company network. Use the arrows on the remote control to select Place a Call from the on-screen menu. Confirm your selection by pressing the round center button on the remote control. If you are calling from outside the company network, you need to provide extra information to connect to the video bridge. The meeting invite should include these instructions. The right sequence is generally an IP address followed by ## and the conference ID. In this example, you dial 10.23.14.35 # 721155 to join the meeting. Please ask your company video operations group for the exact syntax. You are now connected to the virtual meeting room on the bridge. Other participants may already be waiting when you join the call. By connecting to a meeting room, you can talk to anybody on any device, including audio participants. Enjoy your meeting.